Today I share with you how to prepare noodles. If you had get this done before, it wasn't this process. That is why you have to watch this video on how to make a perfect noodles for the family. You can't wait to see how this is being done. To begin, I'll be adding some oil in a pot. The same time I have in prawns seasoned with salt and onions powder. After adding the onions powder, I get that stirred together until it gets combined like this. All I do now is to transfer everything back to the pan. Add that and get that stir together. I'm going to be stir frying this for 15 minutes until it's fried and nice. All I do is to be keep on turning the other side until I have something like this. It fries so nice at this point. All I do is to just bring that out from the pan. I just take this bowl, add everything back there and keep it aside. It fries so nice. On the same pan, I'm going to add in oil, then add in ginger garlic paste, then stir together. I will fry that for just 1 minute. After frying that, I'm going to add in these onions, hot pepper, red and yellow bell pepper. First, I'm going to be adding the onions and hot pepper to fry for just 1 minute. Get that stirred together like this. 1 minute of frying, all I do is to transfer the red bell pepper and green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper together to fry. After adding everything, I stir together. Over here, I have this dark soy sauce. Then I'm going to add a little bit of it. After adding the sauce, I'm going to add in this noodle seasoning. Then stir together. I will stir and let this sauce to fry for 10 minutes. On other pan, I'm going to be adding water. Then get that to turn to boil. When the water has turned to boil, all I do is to add in this oil. Then after adding the oil, I'm going to be adding salt. So over here, I have noodles. I'm making use of 2 pack. I'm going to transfer that inside this bowl. All I do now is to transfer the noodles back to the hot water. I'm just adding everything and let that to turn to boil. This is the noodles after cooking for 2 minutes. 2 minutes of cooking the noodles, I'm going to stir that together. Then bring that out from the heat. I'm going to transfer that inside this filter. Then add in cold water so that it can stop cooking, and at the same time this water will enable the noodles not to sting together. All I do now is to transfer the noodles inside the pot of sauce. Just transfer everything and get that stir. This is just so simple. All I do now is to keep on stirring until the noodles and the sauce get combined. Now I'm going to be adding salt to taste and keep on stirring. If you haven't shared the video before now, what are you waiting for? This is the right time to give it a share because it's going to help you as a mom. All you do now is to add in the prawns and stir together. This is very simple. This recipe is for everyone, both mommy, daddy, even bachelor. Everyone need to try this recipe. I'm going to get that fry and let that get final cook, and now we have it. Look at our noodles. It cooks so nice at this point and it's ready to serve. This is just how I serve it for us to enjoy. It was so nice. It cooked so nice and it was scented so amazing. Share this video and follow this process to make your perfect noodles for the family. Everyone around you is going to appreciate you when you get this done because it's so mouth-watering. In my next one, guys, look at the prawns. It cooks so nice and it gets this food to another level. I love you guys. Try to share and follow this process so that you can get it right in my next one. Bye.